Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another A2 grammar lesson. We're continuing to talk about prepositions of place. Today we're going to be discussing in, inside, within, out of, and outside of. So what can you say about the football? Well, in this picture it is in the box, and in this one it is outside of the box. So the football is in the orange box, the football is inside the orange box, and the football is within the orange box. So all of these mean the same thing. We're describing this picture. Okay, so where are the vegetables? The vegetables are in the bowl. The lettuce is between the bread. The coffee is in the cup. We could also say the lettuce is in the sandwich, inside of the sandwich. The coffee is in the cup. The chocolates are in the box. The man is in the kitchen. And the cheese is in the refrigerator. So here, out of and outside of, the football is out of the box, or the football is outside of the box. Okay, the dog is outside of the house. The car is outside of the garage. The toys are outside of the bin. The candies are outside of the package. The birds are outside of their cage. And the plates and cups, I guess they're inside the kitchen, I guess, or could be on top of. The cups are on top of the plates. These cups are behind the plates. A lot of different ways to describe this picture. So you have to be careful. The ball was in the box, but now it is out of the box. His hat was on his head, but now it is off his head. So you can't say out of his head. You could not say out of his head, in or out. So this would be on and off. This is in and out. So just know the difference between on and off and in and out. All right, now you're going to choose the correct preposition for each sentence. You can pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. Alice, the dog cannot sleep inside the house. Please put him in the garden. You can find many important museums within central London. It's raining and my washing is in the garden. Please help me to bring it inside the house. What is inside the box? I don't know. It's a present. Where are the instructions? I took them out of the box and now I cannot find them. I'm sorry, but you cannot speak to him now because he is out of the office. So the fish are inside, in, or within the tank. The letter is out of or outside of the envelope. The dirty clothes are inside, in, or within the washer. And the books are inside, in, or within the box. The dog is inside or in within the kennel. The teachers are outside of the school. The cards are out of the box, and the man is inside the train. All right, so now you can use this picture to practice in, inside, within, and without. So just go ahead and pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. So inside and outside the house. We often say inside for inside the house. So where's the cat? Inside. And often we'll just say outside for outside the house. Where's the dog? Outside. All right, so now again, choose the correct preposition in each of these sentences. You can pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. So please come inside. It's starting to rain. There are many beautiful buildings within Paris. Take the trash outside. It will be collected tomorrow morning. I bought a new television. It's still in the box. So what can you visit within Paris and what can you see outside of Paris? So you can look at these pictures. So here are these are the boundaries of the city of Paris. So any of these items you could see in Paris, and any of these would be outside of Paris. Now name 3 things that are outside your house. Name 2 things inside the room where you are now. What is something outside of your front door? And who is out of the room where you are now? And name 4 things in your fridge. So you can try and describe these images using out of, outside of, in, inside of, and within. So here we have the MacBook Pro is out of or outside of the box. The pens and pencils are inside or within the case. The flowers are outside the house. And all of these items are outside the bag, outside of the bag, or out of the bag. All right, that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.